Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Bluetooth on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top, and then in here tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on connections, then tap on the Bluetooth toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel, and in here you can also tap on the toggle button at the top here to switch it off or turn it on. Another way to do it is swipe down to open up the quick settings panel at the top here, and then tap on the Bluetooth icon in the shortcut bar at the top to quickly turn on or turn off Bluetooth. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.